Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite protein shakes. This protein shake can be consumed either pre or post-workout. It can also be a great meal replacement so you don't miss out on any nutrients that your body needs. Protein is a very important macronutrient for weight loss and for muscle growth. There are many different types of protein powders, but today we'll be using whey protein. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you can always use soy protein or pea protein as a substitute. We will be adding more ingredients for more nutrients, benefits, and flavor. You'll need a blender and the following ingredients. Your choice of protein powder. I usually add 2 scoops of protein, but you can add 1 to 2 scoops depending on what your body needs. 1 medium-sized banana, 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 celery stick, 1 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of almond butter. I personally add this only in my pre-workout shakes because of the high healthy fats that can be used for energy. I add 1 scoop of collagen. Collagen helps promote healthy skin, bones, hair, muscle, and more. You can also add additional carbohydrates if needed. I'd recommend overnight oats or organic cereal low in sugar. Let's throw all these ingredients in the blender and see how it tastes. That's one great tasting healthy shake. Try this shake out and let me know what you think down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly health and fitness content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong.